You tell yourself tomorrow you'll stop. Tomorrow you'll finally close the tabs and break the cycle, but tomorrow never comes. And before you know it, you're staring at a screen at 2 in the morning, wondering how you got here again. Here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's just trapped. Trapped in a dopamine loop so strong it feels impossible to escape. But 30 days could completely rewire how your brain works. Let me show you what actually happens. Days 1 through 3 start simple. Day 1 feels like freedom. Day 2, still good. Then day 3 hits. Your brain realizes something's missing. That easy dopamine hit is gone, so it panics. It sends urges, irritability, anxiety. This is withdrawal, and most people break here. Week 1 is the hardest week. You feel restless, foggy, frustrated. But here's what's happening. Your dopamine receptors are healing. Your brain is recalibrating. Week 2 is when the fog lifts. Your mind feels clear. You can focus without checking your phone every 5 minutes. Your prefrontal cortex, the part that controls self-control, is coming back online. Week 3 is where the magic happens. Around day 21, your brain hits a turning point. You wake up with energy. Your confidence returns. You feel present again. People notice, but this is when many relapse. They feel good and think they're cured. Stay sharp. By week 4, you're not the same person. Your brain has reset. Everything feels rewarding again. Music, goals, real connection. 30 days won't fix everything, but it will show you what's possible, and that's where everything changes.